Okay, just before I go any further with it, just to show you the extent of the damage. That bit there, that's cracked there. That's snapped in half. And obviously these are no longer joined to the rail, surrounding rail. So you'll see how it grip blasts. I see he's had problems with it before. Welded some bolts in there to be captive. I wish they were stainless bolts, but they're not. Here's what I have noticed a lot of is where stainless meets steel. Steel rusts like a bugger and makes a lovely mess. So I ordered some stainless steels and nuts and bolts, I think, to sort this out. That's the number plate, by the way. Number plate holder. It's in simply like that. So we're cleaning there as well. Rad looks okay. No signs of any injuries. So that's good. Right, I'll let you know.